Everyone should drink plenty of water. This is what we've heard for years. Some people wonder why drinking water is so important. This evening I'm going to explain some of the reasons that water is essential to your body and its many functions. Water and proper hydration is an important part of maintaining good health. Water has many functions that it performs inside your body. Not having enough water in your system can cause sickness, disease, and even death. We're going to take a closer look at how electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and chloride function inside the body. Some things that we consume can deplete our bodies of water. Alcohol and caffeine is well known for dehydrating our bodies. However, there are steps that we can take to maintain proper hydration. Keeping a good balance of water in your system is the overall key. Water is essential to health maintenance for several reasons. Over half of your body weight is water, and many people are unaware of this fact. It is used for different reasons in the tissues of your body. Water is used in your muscles and inside your bones. The water that is found in the cells is called intracellular fluid. The water that is found outside of cells is called extracellular fluid. When your body is dehydrated, you may experience nausea, headache, or a feeling of lightheadedness. These symptoms are a signal that something is out of balance. Certain climate temperatures, medication, or improper nutrition can cause rapid dehydration at a faster pace. Now, people who frequently exercise can experience dehydration at a faster pace than someone who is inactive. Knowing how to recognize and prevent dehydration is extremely important. Water provides many functions in the body. It serves to cleanse, lubricate, and cushion parts of our bodies. Water aids in the digestion of food. Water even protects the fetus of a pregnant woman from any outside force. Water also delivers oxygen and nutrients to our bodies through blood. Water functions in the chemical reactions of glucose, amino acids, minerals, and many other substances. Water also participates directly in a number of chemical reactions that join small molecules together and break large molecules apart. Water is the primary component in maintaining body temperature. Because water is constantly moving in and out of our bodies, we should maintain a constant balance of how much water is being put into our bodies and how much water is being lost. We can lose water through evaporation, sweat, urine, and other bodily secretions. You may not be aware of this, but if you're thirsty, your body is already lacking the water that it needs. And your brain gives these signals because water is important. Maybe you could compare it to the light on your vehicle dashboard. It's an indication that something is not right with the fluid. And your kidneys regulate some of the water that is lost from your body. You may compare your kidneys to a strainer. Blood flows through them, water and small molecules are filtered out, and blood cells and large molecules are retained. Some of the water molecules that pass through the filter are reabsorbed into the bloodstream, and the rest are excreted. The hormone called antidiuretic, or ADH, is used to signal the kidneys to retain more water so that the body doesn't become dehydrated. The body has mechanisms in place to keep a person hydrated and warn them about possible dehydration. So what happens if the body, despite its best efforts, becomes dehydrated? If water losses are not regulated, you will become ill and could possibly die. Since climate conditions, exercise, and other things have influence in the amount of water that is depleted from the body, it is hard to give an exact estimate of how much water a person should drink daily. The amount would depend on life factors for that individual. If you live in the desert and have high physical demands, you would want to drink more than if you lived in an area of high humidity and had lower physical demands. It's possible for a person to become overhydrated. Your body loses water that is not pure. Water is lost carrying minerals with it. During excessive exercise, one should replace the lost water with a mineral or an electrolyte-infused water. This will reduce the possibility of water toxicity. Electrolytes are important for many reasons. Sodium, potassium, and chloride are the main electrolytes in your body. Electrolytes are essential for nerve conduction and muscle contraction. Every thought, every movement, every response that you make requires that a nerve impulse speeds through your body to a target cell. Different electrolytes have different functions in the body. Sodium and potassium are positively charged ions, and chloride is a negatively charged ion. Chloride helps regulate sodium and potassium, and sodium helps regulate blood pressure. An increase or decrease in sodium can cause high or low blood pressure. Sodium and chloride are mainly consumed through processed foods, and potassium is consumed through unprocessed foods. People can stay hydrated by drinking water before, during, and after exercising. People should drink more water on the days that weather is hot. And people should also eat less processed foods and limit additional salt intake. Caffeine and alcohol will deplete the body of electrolytes and basically flush them out of the system. We've looked at some of the effects that can result from poor hydration. Electrolytes must be replenished if they are flushed out of the body. It's important to maintain a proper diet and not overconsume things that will result in dehydration. Many deaths occur each year as a result of dehydration. We live in an area that medical care could prevent death from dehydration here. However, this should educate and inform you about the importance of water in your body. So make sure that you're consuming the right amount of water for your individual body and lifestyle. Thank you.